Hello, everybody. I'm in the house fixing to go outside and try to work on the pole beams. We had storms blow through yesterday and hadn't been able to do nothing. And it sure is nice having this back door with the patio and the steps to walk out of. But I'm going to be working on them pole beams on that pole over there. So y'all stay tuned and let me get set up and see if I can get them strung up. Hey everybody, I'm over here at the pole now. Got all my tools lined up. I'm gonna put some screws in high as up as I can reach. If I need to change it later, I can. I'm gonna put several screws around up here and put some down at the bottom and tie my string up and down here, and we'll see how it goes. Don't need to put them in too far. It is a muddy mess around here. We're supposed to have sunshine today and tomorrow and start raining again Saturday. And it's supposed to rain for a solid week. So I don't know what's going to happen to the plants outdoors. They might just drown. Who knows? But that's part of gardening. You got to deal with weather. That didn't work. Yeah. So get myself some more screws. Man, everything is getting so expensive. Just these Phillip heads, 2.5 inch coated screws for one little pound, $5. $4.99, might well say five. Everything's just getting crazy. And I'm almost late getting this string up. Hope y'all can hear me. A couple more. Ants are going up this pole. They're headed for higher ground. They know the rain's coming. Well, got all the screws in. See if I can show that to y'all. It's hard to see out here in the light. Anyway, I got screws. Wish I could see all the way around this frame. And I put screws up here all the way around the pole. So I got to wear on the string now from top to bottom. And pray it climbs up the string. I'm going to have to coach it. Yep. Yep. It took that long to do that one. I'm going to stop the video and I'll be right back with y'all to show you the finished product. It's from the bottom to the top. Maybe I can get these pole beans to climb that string. We'll see. Y'all stay tuned. Be back in a second. Well, I got the strings all over it. Up and down. All the way around. Well, if the pole beans don't make it, it's my fault. I should have done this sooner, but I've been down sick. I'm hoping this pollen don't get me now. But yeah, all of them pole beans about to choke each other out. So maybe they'll take off up this string and quit attaching themselves to each other. But that's all I have for now, y'all. This is a new experiment I've tried. I've never tried this. If anybody's tried this before, please let me know how it worked out for you. Hopefully I'm not wasting my time. I don't see any beans on these plants or any flowering. But hopefully the rain don't kill all my plants. They're predicting 5 to 7 days of rain. So, well, what you gonna do? Hey, y'all ring that bell. Give me a thumbs up. And share this video with all your friends. If they had any ideas to do planting or gardening like this, let me know. And please subscribe. And we'll make y'all some more videos, so we'll see you around. Bye, y'all.